Wildflowers Cateye gels are available in a large assortment of colors. We definitely recommend using the Wildflowers magnet with our Cateye gels. We also recommend using the Cateye gels over a bold or dark color gel polish as a foundation, since the Cateye gels do have a level of transparency. Today I'm going to show you some very basic ways to move the magnet to achieve different looks on the nails. I'm working over a cured coat of our Wildflowers gel polish color Dark Jade, and I'm working with the red gold Cateye gel. You want to apply a coat, and then while the coat is still wet and uncured, take the Wildflowers magnet and hover right over top to create a basic line. Pretty easy. Now, when it's time to reset, say you accidentally touch the nail or you don't like it or you want to try something different, all you do is just swipe over while the gel polish is still wet. For this design, we're going to take the magnet, turn it on its side, and slowly move towards the free edge of the nail. This is going to create an ombre. It's such a fast and easy way to create an ombre. I'm going to go ahead and reset the nail. And this time I'm going to show you how to just do a big wide stripe. So turn the magnet up and slide in until you see a line on the left and then on the right, and then one more time on the first side that you started on, and it will make a big bright stripe down the center of the nail. Now, if you want to tighten it in, you can do the same thing again and get a tighter stripe. And what's cool about this look is when you turn the nail to the side, it disappears completely. Let's reset. And this time I'll show you how to do a swirl using the circular side of the magnet. Now again, you don't touch the nail with the magnet. You just hover closely to the surface of the nail and make sure you're not curing your Cateye until it's perfect, just the way you want it. I'm going to show you one more kind of tricky design that I like to do. Hover the magnet over the surface of the nail without touching and move it all around. Before curing, grab your Wildflowers ombre brush and gently drag the brush up the nail. It's going to create some very delicate looking stripes. I think that this is such a beautiful and delicate look. It gives you a level of detail that is really beautiful. And for those people who are detail oriented, they might really love this type of design. This is one of my favorites, I think. And when you are finished getting the nail exactly how you want it, this is just a nice big bold stripe down the middle, then you just cure for 30 seconds in an LED light and finish with the Wildflowers top coat gel. Again, our Cateyes come in a lot of different colors. We have holographic Cateye. We even have Cateye that has the flare gel sprinkled into it. So when I like to play with the Cateyes, if I'm using a Cateye with a red base, I like to put it over green. So I tend to go opposite on the color wheel for a really fun effect. I hope you have fun playing with the Wildflowers Cateye gels. Thanks for watching.